been working here a couple of months. Don't get very many people coming in here asking for cocktails. Don't get very many people coming in here at all.
I used to come in here all the time, years ago. It used to be a lot different. And so did I.
As our esteemed guests of the Nightingale, a bottle of our finest wine on the house. Have a great night.
So, how's it going to work then, Katie? Are you not going to be able to join us on a night out anymore? In case you see the parents see you getting drunk? Well, to be honest, probably more likely to see one of the students out drinking these days.
No, I'm sure it'll be fine. Anyways, this place doesn't even sell alcohol, so I doubt they'll be coming in here anyway.
That's true. You'll be teaching some good kids as well. I mean, if they're anything like us when we were at school, then you'll be fine.
Jess, you're a horror.
That's also true. So you ready to go back on the dance floor?
Yeah, I'll be there in a bit. I'm just going to finish up this drink.
Hi. I'm James, and you are?
I'm Catherine. Oh, Katie. My friends call me Katie.
I see, yeah. Well, my friends call me Jimmy.
I think I prefer James.
So, can I get you a drink? Oh, wait. That sounded obviously like I was trying to chat you up.
So, you're not?
Oh, yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, well, let me know when you start.
I'll go to the bar, get us a couple of drinks, and hopefully you'll still be here. I can carry on trying to chat you up. Oh, and get to know you a bit better.
I thought he was the perfect man. Handsome, charming, loving, attentive. And then he started to change. Well, maybe he started to become who he really was. My friends, of course, tried to warn me, but I didn't listen to them. And I ended up losing them.
I've got you something.
James, you already got me a ring. What on earth have you got me this time?
Just open and find out.
Oh, James, you shouldn't have.
Call it an early engagement present.
Oh, thank you, I love it.
I'm glad you like it. Now me and the boys have to take care of a little bit of business.
Don't leave me alone with these women. I don't know them.
Stay here. You'll be fine. Only going to be a couple of hours. Take care of that. I wasn't cheap.
You know, he changed me. The more I changed, the angrier I got. And the angrier I got, the more I changed. It's almost funny.
me like a wife or even a person. You just ignore me when we're around your so-called friends or business associates or whoever the hell they are. I can't live like this anymore. Do you know how you treat me? Like this. Like this. Like property. Like something you just use or look at until you're bored and then you just discard it.
What are you having?
I'll have what she's having.
Hi, Frank. I almost didn't recognise you without your hat on.
Do you have a life outside being a driver, you know?
Sorry. So, what are you doing in this dive?
Ordering a drink. I've come to get you back to the house before Ginny realises you've left it.
How did you know?
You haven't been here in God knows how many years.
About 2, I think.
So you've come here for one last drink before you catch the next train or plane or whatever way it is you plan to leave.
To be honest, I didn't plan that far ahead. I guess I just came in here because being here with my friends, having a good time, being excited about my future, it was the last time I felt...
Free?
Yeah, that's right.
I know, Katie, but I need you to come with me. You know Ginny won't let you go.
You know, Frank, before tonight, if you'd said something like that, I thought you would have meant that James would have stopped me with some big romantic gesture or declaration. But that's not what you mean, is it?
What do you mean, before tonight? What's happened, Katie?
Where we're going?
Can you follow that car parked up, please?
This isn't like the movies, you know. You're going to have to tell us which car you want to follow.
That silver BMW there parked up.
Well, I'll see what I can do, but I might not be able to keep up.
Can you just wait here for me, please?
Don't know about that, like, I'll have to leave the meter running.
That's fine.
I didn't want it to have to come to this. I sent a nice, friendly member of my staff to talk, to negotiate. He offered you a fucking good price for your club, on my behalf, didn't he? You had to go and make things difficult, didn't you? For me, and consequently for yourself. You said no to my offer. And then threatened to go to the police about it all. I really can't have that, mate. Please. Please. I tried to be reasonable.
Go!
All this time, and I was too stupid to realise. Should have left him years ago.
Katie, please, just come back to the house and it will all be okay.
What? Have you not been listening? After what I've seen? No way, I can't.
Please, Katie.
No, I've made up my mind. He changed me. He took away my strength. I loved him and he abused that love. He's a monster. Tonight was just the push I needed to do what I should have done years ago. Thank you, Frank. Thanks for caring. Thanks for being a nice bloke.
Wait, miss. Sorry, miss, but the manager would like to see you in his office. It'll only take a moment.
What's it about?
Didn't say.
I tried to be reasonable.